Good morning, everyone. This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. In 2013, India was one of the 5 countries who were termed as Fragile 5. If you see the chart, in last 1 year, rupee got weaker approximately by 10%. In today's presentation, I'm going to share key insight about which country currency is getting stronger in last 1 year, what is the outlook or what is the theme of investment in coming days. Based on that currency we can take, and finally outlook on dollar rupee pair. Today we are going to discuss about a currency called Brazilian real. If you see the chart, that currency have gone stronger approximately by 13% in last 1 year. Now in today's presentation we will decode why it got stronger. That will give us an idea in which sector we need to invest our money. It was not only the currency which got strengthened, it was its entire economic performance which lifted the currency also, and its stock market. If you see the chart, you'll be able to understand that the stock index had given a return of close to 34% in last 1 year. One of the biggest reason for Brazilian currency to get stronger was their high interest rate environment in their country, because of which the real yield become very much positive. As a result, what has happened, countries which were giving interest at a lower rate, people started borrowing in that currency and in that country and started investing in Brazil economy. As of now, the real yield or real return in Brazil bond market is close to 10%. The second reason for Brazil currency to perform was their continuous flows of FDI coming into their economy. In 2025, they received the highest FDI since 2014. What are the two main reasons for the same? One is extensive natural resource country. Second, it is the seventh largest populated country in the world, attracting FDI flows to consumers. And the third and important reason why it is getting stronger is because they have positive trade surplus from last couple of years. If you see the chart, it is getting clear that as a country they are exporting more than what they import. And earlier, uh, 10 years back, US was their key supplier. As on today, China has become a key importer from Brazil. And the last important reason why Brazil economy is doing good, because it is a country with lot of natural resources, and the entire revenue of export is coming via commodity products. If you see the chart, agriculture, energy, mining, all are in a growing stage. So basically, few weeks back, we had made a video on why Australian currency is going to get stronger. If you compare that video with today's video, you will be able to understand one common factor, that is both the countries are high on exports of commodity. As a result, both their country are doing good and the currency is likely to get stronger and stronger. So the theme is long on most of the commodities, as commodity bull cycle is on. Second, countries which have exposure with respect to on commodity, if they are exporting, that country will do good. If they are on an importing side, they will have difficult times. Third, country which are commodity export country, their currency is likely to get stronger. So now let us discuss outlook on rupee. Couple of days back on a national TV, I suggested that government might come up with a new innovative steps where they can suggest all PSU banks or companies to borrow in foreign currency. And exactly after a few days, we have received a news that SBI is planning to raise close to $2 billion from the overseas market. So in the short term, any positive news from the US-Iran war or SBI borrowing 2 billion from overseas market can be a positive news for the dollar rupee pair, and rupee might get stronger because of this news, saying that 93.50 to 93.80 is likely to act as a strong support for the pair. but over the medium term, as we are a country which is a net importer of oil, we might have higher trade deficit. Second, RBI might come and start buying dollars if the flows come exactly the way they have done in Feb 2026, which give us a signal that appreciation might be limited. So broadly speaking, we can say that we have entered into a phase where 93.50 to 93.80 is likely to act as a strong support, and 95.30 to 95.50 is going to act as a strong resistance. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar, फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.